Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be very special because we are introducing a Korean-based technology company that is creating a strong impact in the world of Bitcoin mining and AI trading. The name of the platform is OZO Mining. Earn 24 times 7, no limits, just results. About OZO is a technology-driven company focused on secure and efficient Bitcoin mining operations. The company uses high-performance ASIC mining machines with optimized infrastructure to ensure maximum efficiency, reduced downtime, strong security, transparent operations. Our mission, OZO's mission, is very clear. They want to revolutionize trading and mining using our vision. OZO's vision is to become a global leader in automated trading innovation. They believe in a future where technology and intelligence work together. Trading becomes simple, transparent, and profitable. Financial freedom is accessible worldwide. Bitcoin mining explained. Bitcoin mining is the process that confirms transactions, prevents double spending, secures the Bitcoin network, creates new Bitcoins. There is no central authority in Bitcoin mining, keeps the entire network running securely, powering the future with Bitcoin mining and OZO Mining. Earn while you secure the blockchain in coin and broker house. OZO Mining platform. With OZO Mining, you don't just earn income, you also help secure the blockchain. OZO is also working towards coin exchange broker house own coin ecosystem. So this is not just mining, this is future blockchain infrastructure. What are the advantages of OZO? OZO offers several powerful advantages. Exceptional processing speed, advanced AI market analysis, easy access for beginners, machine learning and self-improving bots. Your own startup, any country like Switzerland, Japan, United States, United Kingdom, New Zealand, Denmark, Canada, Singapore, Australia, Belgium, many more. Upcoming projects. OZO has many exciting projects coming soon. Coin exchange broker house, coin mining. OZO has many exciting projects coming soon. Verified smart contract. The 18th of February 2026, OZO Coin launched. The 21st of April 2026, own broker house. The 21st of August 2026, self OZO Coin mining. The 26th of August 2026. These projects show long-term vision and sustainability. Start your income journey. Launching date the 7th of January 2026. You can start your journey with just $20 investment free, $1 sign up your account. Types of income. OZO offers multiple lifetime income streams. AI mining income, sponsor income, level income, daily salary, weekly salary. There is no income limit in OZO AI mining. Income daily returns range from 3.10% up to 12%, depending on investment amount. Mining income is generated Monday to Saturday, and it is lifetime income $20 to $1,000, per day income 3.10%, per month income 81.00%, $1,001 to $3,000, per day income 4.10%. Per month income 107.00%. 1 by 1 you can see $10,001 to unlimited 12% per day, monthly 312%. Sponsor income. Direct sponsor income ranges from 20% to 35%, paid one time $20 to $1,000. Direct sponsor income, one time, 20%, $1,001 to $3,000. Direct income 22%, $10,001 to unlimited, 35%, level income level 1, daily income 5%, level 2, 4%, third level 3%, fourth level 2%, fifth level 1%. 1 by 1 you can see total 10 level where you can get 3%. Income will be distributed from OZO Mining. Income on daily basis. Daily salary up to $500 per day, supreme rank. Team business $250, daily salary 25 cents, Elite rank, team business plus $500, daily salary 75 cents, 1 by 1 you can see till champion rank $500 daily salary. Weekly salary bronze rank team business $1,000 daily salary $1.42, weekly salary $10, silver rank team business plus $2,500 daily salary $4.28, weekly salary $30. Legendary rank according to team business daily salary $357.14, weekly salary $2,500, lifetime income. No income limits. Reinvestment. Your reinvestment with zero charges principal withdrawal. It can be withdraw anytime. Core member. Anyone can become a part of core member. Just do a business with Ozo. Terms and conditions. Registration free. Free $1 sign-up bonus deposit and withdrawal are available on USDT BEP20 only. Minimum deposit 20 USDT. Minimum withdrawal 1 USDT. Maximum deposit and withdrawal no limit. Instant withdrawal available. 24x7 withdrawal available. Withdrawal charge is 15% only. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.